The longest hiccuping spree lasted a mind-blowing 68 years. This bizarre, uncontrollable bodily function plagued Charles Osborne from 1922 to 1990, with hiccups every few seconds, adding up to an estimated 430 million hiccups. Doctors were baffled, and despite numerous attempts to cure him, nothing worked. Osborne's incredible story is a testament to the strange quirks of the human body and how it can endure even the most relentless of conditions. Imagine living nearly 7 decades with an incessant hiccup. It's a record that highlights both the mysteries of medical science and the indomitable human spirit.